Hello friends, in this video I showed you how to buy or sell in Zerodha intraday shares. Okay, let's see friends, I show you. So first you open Zerodha app and you see here friends all my watch list here. So if you want to buy any other company share, so you're writing here that company name and you can add inside your watch list that company. I show you demo. So I buy or sell PNB bank share. Just simply click here and you see here I have two options, buy or sell. First I buy share, so simply click here buy and you see here quantity, how many shares you want to buy, writing here. So I show you demo, I writing here one share and downside have intraday and long term. So friends, long term or intraday have what difference? If you buy long term, so you can hold share how long you want to hold, but intraday you same day buy or same day you sell. But this one have price difference. So today have share price 47.85. So if you buy long term, so you must pay one share full amount 47.85. But if you buy intraday, so intraday you pay only 9.57. But intraday only have condition, you same day buy or same day sell. Click here market. So now everything okay ready. Just simply swipe one side. So now click here portfolio and you see here PNB one share add ready in my portfolio. So now here I can see my profit and loss. Now I show you how to sell back. Just simply click here and click to exit. And here writing quantity, how many you buy before, so you writing here quantity. So I before buy one share, so I writing here one, and downside you choose here intraday and here market, swipe to one side. So this one share sell back ready. So friends, very simple or easy, you can buy in Zerodha Demat account any share. If you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.